You can experience a texture transformation that lasts up to 12 weeks by adding one step to your silk press. The Amino Release treatment begins with a collagen and vitamin C enriched clarifying shampoo, a gentle towel blot, followed by a lightweight leave-in conditioner to hydrate and moisturize the shaft in preparation for the treatment. To prep the hair, we will detangle, section the hair in 4. Now let's get ready for the best 12 weeks your hair could ask for. Apply the Amino Release foam by dividing each quadrant into 2 subsections, beginning with the lower sections first. Keep in mind, this treatment is highly concentrated, therefore a little goes a very long way. After applying the foam to the entire head, you will revisit the lower half and seal the treatment by blowing the hair completely dry. The Amino Release treatment is perfect for curly naturals, straight naturals, and chemically treated hair, offering the benefits of humidity-resistant, smoother, shinier hair without a permanent commitment. And depending on your desired end result, you may also flat iron the hair, incorporating no more than 1 to 2 passes. Be sure to adjust your heat setting according to texture, using lower heat for finer hair and higher heat for coarser hair. Maintain the Amino Release treatment using the texture-rich 12-week salon regimen, which is scientifically proven and designed to prevent dryness, fortify, moisturize, preserve, and improve the overall health of the hair. And to give your clients an even more luxurious experience, scan the QR code for advanced education on how to use this product effectively with hair color.